Hi Kevin, to get started with Rover, I'll show you real quick demos of how to test Rover on your sites. The quickest and the best way we recommend is click on setup now. Since we upgraded you on higher tier, you can give a list of domains you want us to test on. You can just, for testing, we don't recommend this for production, but for testing, you can just keep asterisk and get your script tag and test it on any website you want. But you can always do like localhost, give some like say ABC staging, whatever staging you have. So you can list out all the websites or domains that you want to test us on, and then all you have to do is click generate your script. So there you go. You get the script tag with the key. So you can put it next to your Google Analytics or any sort of script tags near the head, uh, wherever you load your app central page. And then these are recommended for AI incoming traffic. So your website is AI ready. So most of them, like we recommend all the seven, if not definitely these top three and LLMs.txt. All you need to do is just copy paste and put in this path, or you can simply literally copy this markdown file and you can give it to your cloud code codex cursor or whatever it is, so they will make sure they'll add the script tag and rest of the surfaces for you, and that's it. That's how you can quickly go live on any staging website or anything, and you can check those domains to verify Rover exists. If you don't want to go via this path, if you want to go via our quick test path, just go to our preview helper. Arjun and I both have shared the GitHub link for this. All you need to do is just get this app. It's a mini extension to inject Rover real time. Do pnpm install, do pnpm install, pnpm build, and then go to your extensions. Make sure you're on developer mode. Click load unpacked, and this preview helper, you have a dist folder. Just that's it. Select the dist folder. Now, any website you want to test us on, just go to the website, click on our extension. You can pin it to click on our extension, and this is where you need to copy the JSON. So preview extension space, use extension. Either you can copy the JSON and then paste that JSON right here. Either copy this JSON and go to the website you want, and then just paste the JSON here, or just simply open Target with extension. It should take you with Rover install, and then you can like talk to Rover on that site. But some sites have CSP, so you might not be able to test it like this. But most of the sites should be able to test it this way. The same thing, we have a bookmarklet approach. You can drag and drop and add as on your bookmark, and then go to any website that you got and click on the bookmark. You should be able to see the rover here. And the one last way, if you just want to see us on the cloud sandbox on a cloud demo, just pick the URL of the website that you want to test, give a prompt of what you want Rover to do, just click the create a cloud demo. Soon you should see the browser opening up here, and like triggering Rover on the side to do the task for you. So you saw Rover opened up on the Amazon.com to do the task. So these are multiple ways you can test Rover. Let us know if you have any questions.